What's up, folks? Welcome back to Roll TV. I just want to show and share with you my experience for today. It's my first time to put my car on an automatic car wash system, and this is how it looks like. Let's go! So? Maybe the first and last, probably.
Why first and last?
Usually I clean my car on that base. DJ's car wash, baby! This is $10.
Slap it chill.
We're gonna die, guys! I don't know if this is a good idea or not. There's the light at the end of the tunnel. After the car wash, it's $10, guys. It's not bad. Now we're using the vacuum and we're done for today. Now my body's doing the vacuum. I recommend this place, guys, if you want to go. It's pretty cheap. Cost me $10 for this one. It's good. It's like 7 out of 10 for my review. DJ Express Car Wash.